Okay, this is quick onboarding video for Bigshop. Once you log in, you will see this screen in dashboard. You have some like notification language stuff, and you can make it light mode or dark mode with your preference. Here's a TV mode. You can see one text assigned, and this is a VIN scanner. You can use it on mobile too. This will scan most of the QR codes for the VIN and the truck, and this is a quick counter sale type invoices. And so basically your workflow will be this. You can change the colors from here to anything you want, and save it, make it colorful. And first thing you should do, go to settings. From there you can go to users, and before you create a user you have to go check your roles. So here, for example, manager, you will have less roles, less permissions. So you have to for example, it will look like this. You have to enable them, like if you want your managers being able to see, read, write stuff. So give them all the permissions needed, including cost price visibility here, and then save. So basically give, like if you want them see financials, attendance stuff, you can give that too, and click save. Admins will have full permission. For service writers will have limited permission. You can give them some permissions, like they should be able to read, write inspections and vehicles. So give them the permissions too they need, and if you want them to see the prices, of course add them too. Once you've done that, you have to come here and create add users. So you can add users here, hourly rate, or you can do weekly flat rate as well. And you can give add, if you have a commission from a labor, you can add labor commission to your technicians. So there are roles that show up, the ones you have over there in the roles, and you create them. I strongly recommend enabling email MFA. So once you finish creating users, you have a shop branding to fill out. You have to fill out all the information. You can upload the payment QR code and stuff. Next up, notifications, do your preference. Integrations will be here. So you don't have to do anything here. No Gemini. I mean, we have the key installed already. You can configure Stripe. You can create an account. This will allow you to take credit card payments, debit card, those card payments if you would like, but this is optional. And then QuickBooks, you can connect the QuickBooks from here. You can click and log into your QuickBooks, it will connect. If you have Fleet.io, you can connect from here. And if you have Face ID check-in device, you can integrate from here. We can assist with this. We do have the device, or you can buy your own device, or we can integrate your own, and it will connect here. So these are integrations. Subscription billing, so you will see this, however many users you have, you can click subscribe and sign up. And then Telegram notification is the most important one, so you have to configure this. To do this, we have all the steps, 1 2 3 4 5, and all the things. So basically what you have to do, go to botfather in the Telegram, and right here do new bot, give your name to your bot and then username. You will have something key like this right here. So you copy this key, this one, and come here, give it to your configuration. So basically you have it here, successfully connected. Now you have to copy these two URLs. We have given like information already, so you have to put them and register the webhook. So this will help you to communicate with your customers, with their groups. So you register this, it's registered now. You will see a webhook registered successfully. I go down, and then basically to get this, right now I have to enable and give a chat ID, right, for operations. To get this, you have to open a Telegram channel first. Once you open it, add your bot to this bot name, right? This bot, whatever your name of your bot, add that to your group, operations group. Once you add that, bot will give you the operations chat ID, basically chat ID of that group. You enable this here and then add that chat ID, save it. It will save your Telegram operations channel, where all the notifications will go to that Telegram group. So do that. And then another important ones would be workflow statuses. You can leave it like this, unless if you want to add more, but this is a default. And column configurations are there. Order numbers here. If you want your order numbers start with 1000, 1001, 1002, this is good. But if you have, let's say in your current shop, 3000 something, 4000 something in your invoices, you can make this like 5000 next, so it can start counting from next, so it doesn't confuse you if this is Big Shop invoice number or your previous one. So that this you can change. Service history guard, if you want to change, you can leave it default for now. And in inventory settings, here this is fitment check, but right here for inventory you can add your own categories, like what kind of categories do you want to your inventories. Let's say filters, you can add that and save it, and this will work later in the integration. Inspection templates, you must do this, load sample templates. Basically it will load you our own sample templates for you. If you want to rename them or remove, you can do all kinds of stuff with these templates. Let's say you want to remove this one and you want to review with your technicians. If this is good, you can save it. This will be your inspection template. If you don't need, let's say, trailer inspection, you can remove it if you want to. And if you need to remove brake inspection, you can. This is a templates, so you can rename, edit inside, or you can even add your own template. It's up to you, but first initially load this, so it will help you. Pricing matrix, you have to create a default matrix. When you click that, it will give you a default one. You have to change these numbers like however you want. What is your pricing matrix in your system, you can change them and then save this. This will be your default, and you can add more metrics, like you have to add matrices for your tire, for your liquid, for your used parts, all kinds of matrices you can add here. And then labor rates and metrics, here you can add your labor rates, like let's say your default is $100, mark sure it's default, and then you can add more. Let's say VIP rate, it will be, let's say, $85, not default, just that. So your default is 100, then this, and if you want to make like roadside, let's say 150, you can add that too. So basically you add your rates here, whichever you like. If you want to enable expected hours thing, you can. This is more of a like what's the standard hour and expected hour. If you want, you can enable this, and how many percent basically you want us to show you from standard hours. So if you say 20%, it will show, like if your standard hour 10 hour, it will show 8 hours. So you can save this too if you want to. If not, you can disable this. Labor guide, we have preloaded templates, so you have to load defaults for Volvo and load defaults for Freightliner. So you have multiple standard local labor guides, and we have AI estimator too, so we'll estimate, we add these options too. So for now you load this and then save your settings. This is good. And then tax configuration, you have to go and check your tax, change your tax percentage, and it will from parts taxable. And then shop supplies, what is your percentage? It is 6, 7, 8, so you can change this and save button is here. So let's say if it is 8, your shop supplies from the labor only, right? And then you save it. With that, you have done your initial settings. You can go and create your first estimate. Basically you can you need a customer and vehicles too, so this is your estimate flow. And if you go here, this is your sales order. You can create your sales order too. This is for counter sale, like part, tire, whatever you want to sell real quickly, it's here. And customer additions are here. You can add your first customer from here if you want, or we'll migrate all your customers to here. And vehicles, you can add them here, and I'll migrate them too. If you have other software, we'll migrate them. And inventory would be here. You can import your inventory from other software, download as CSV, and then you can import them here. We'll take care of uploading inventory that way. Here materials, you can add your tires and stuff. You can use upload AI or add this way, what kind of tires and stuff. Or fluids will be here, and other parts also will be here. Shop supplies and tools, if you purchase, you can record them and track them here. And purchase order is going to be here. So basically purchase order, you can create new and use this as well. These are your purchase orders. And then we have a smart check-in requests. You can share the link or print the QR code and use the check-in. Vendors are here, our vendor information, and there are more things to this, like Face ID is here. Inside Face ID time cards, we have shop financials too. You can use like what's your expenses, what's your incomes from the shop. For some of the things, like expenses will be rent, and income if you renting out your parking lot or base and stuff. Shop connections are better. It's coming, so that you can connect with other shops, share your inventory for sale or buy there from them and stuff. Reports are here, and admin panel also exists here as information. We have a handbook where you can learn stuff, and always keep eye on the version. You will see new stuff. We'll be keep adding whatever new stuff will be here. This is your quick guide for onboarding. If you have any questions, let us know in Telegram. We'll be able to assist you.